वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। आज तुम्हारे चैप्टर 2 जो कि है पाइथागोरस थ्योरम। यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, द रिलेशन बिटवीन द hypotenuse, base and perpendicular in a right angle triangle. Suppose this is right angle triangle and this is the base, this is the perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, so what is the relation between the perpendicular, base and hypotenuse? The square of hypotenuse is equal to square of base, sum of the square of base and perpendicular itself. Okay, so it is also called BAUDHAYANA theorem also. This is the mix of BAUDHAYANA Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the sum of square of base and perpendicular is equal to square of the hypotenuse. For example, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if it is the longest side is the hypotenuse and the other two sides, the sum of the squares of other two sides is equal to the square of the third side or the longest side, that is hypotenuse. If base is 3 cm or 3 unit and perpendicular is 4 cm or 4 unit, then the hypotenuse will be 5 unit. It is not a symmetrical 3, 4, 5. Okay, the 3 square 9, 4 square 16 will be equal to 25, that is 5 square. Okay, it is not serially 3, 4, 5. No other sequence like this will be in this series like 3, 4, 5. Don't see as it is a regular sequence of numbers in a increasing manner. Okay, so these three numbers are called a triplet, Pythagorean triplet or BAUDHAYANA triplet. Okay, so there are various triplets like this. One is 3, 4, 5. That means 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. Another is 6, 8, 10. 6 square plus 8 square equal to 10 square. Another is 15 square plus 7 square equal to 17 square. Okay, that means 7, 15, 17. Okay, again another triplet is 24, 7, 25. Like this, various triplets are there. I have given 4 of it as an example. Okay, so these are the triplets. It means the square of the two sides except the longest side. Okay, the square of sum of the square of the rest two sides will be equal to the square of the longest side. This is called Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Okay, let's learn some interesting things. Where is my So combination of two different square. Let me explain first. If in a right angle triangle, isosceles right angle triangle, suppose ABC is a isosceles right angle triangle. Right triangle where the angle B is 90 degree. Okay, and the equal side is given 3 cm. Then what will be the hypotenuse? What is the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse will be equal to the a square is equal to b square plus b square. That means 3 square plus 3 square, 9 plus 9 equal to 18. Okay. What is this? If it is a, this is also a, this is a square plus a square, that means 2a square. Okay. This side is as is equal to a square equal to 2a square. Okay. There is 8. That means s equal to root 18. What is root 18? 2 into 9. Okay. 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 3 can be taken out because 2 3's are there. 3 root 2. So this is 3 root 2 cm. Okay. So you can calculate in this way also, and this is the formula to get the result quickly. But if you have forgotten the formula, you can use the Pythagoras theorem to get this value after some few seconds later. Okay. Suppose the hypotenuse is given here. Okay. In isosceles right angle triangle, suppose the hypotenuse is given 10. This is 10. Okay. 10 cm. So what will be the equal side? What is the length of the equal sides? Could you follow the example? The question itself. In a right angle isosceles right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is given 10 cm. So what is the value of the equal side? Okay. If it is a, this is a, h is equal to 2a square, a square equal to 2a square. Okay. That means 10 square equal to 2a square. Okay. That means 100 equal to 2a square. That means a square will be 100 by 2, 50. You know this one? I just put the value of h here, 10 square, 2a square. I know the value, the formula for h is 2a square. If it is the equal side is taken as a, 2a square. So a square will be, this 2 will be multiplied here, it will be divided in the other side. That's why I have divided here to get the 50. So a will be root over 50. That means 2 into 5 into 5. That means 5 root 2. Okay. So the equal side will be 5 root 2 cm. Okay. If it is root 72. Okay. If hypotenuse is given root 72. What will be the equal sides? You can say. Can you calculate for this number? The same thing is there, the question is same, but the hypotenuse value is root 72. We know that this a square plus a square equal to h square. We know this one. Or h square equal to 2a square. Suppose we have forgotten the formula. But you know the Pythagoras theorem. Square of this plus square of this equal to square of this. So h square is equal to a square plus a square. You can write this one. 2a square equal to root 72 whole square. Because it is given. That means 2a square equal to 72. Root over square means the root over will be cancelled. It means a square equal to 72 by 2, 36. You know, 2 will be divided here in the other side because it is multiplied here. A will be, if a square equal to 36, a will be square root of the value 6. Okay. This will be 6. Okay. Okay. Let's combine one more. Suppose this is a right angle triangle in this way. This is a right angle. Suppose this is the base A and this is the perpendicular B and this is the hypotenuse H. Okay. Could you follow this one? Okay. So this, if I will take this one as a side of a square, I will get the value. Thus this area is square. The value of square, the value of area of square is a square, side square. So the area of this will be a square. Okay. Suppose I will take B as a side of this another square, and I will draw a square also here, having side B. Okay. So what will be the area of this square? It will be B square. Okay. So how I will prove this one, as square of these two will be the A square. Okay. So the H, if I will take this one, okay, and to get the another square having side H, okay, having side H, okay, the area will be a square. So what is the value of H? From this right angle triangle, let's calculate the value of H, hypotenuse, for this one. We know that this right angle triangle will be equal to A square plus B square. A square equal to A square plus B square. Okay. The longest side square is equal to sum of the other square of the other two sides, A and B. The other two sides are A and B, and the longest side is H, hypotenuse. Okay. So what is the value of H here? H will be A square plus B square root over. Okay. So if H equal to this, H equal to root over A square plus B square. So what is the value of A square? A square plus B square. See, A square plus B square. So if I will take this one, the sum of these two square, okay, A square means this area and B square means this area. If this they will combine, I will get this area. To get this area, the hypotenuse will be the square of this one, that means A square plus B square. Let's prove this one with the help of a practical. Okay. See this one. This is the A side. Okay. This is the, suppose this is the side A or base having side A. This is the perpendicular having side, suppose B, and this is the final side, hypotenuse. This is the right angle. Okay, this is the right angle having side base this one and perpendicular this one. Suppose this side is A and this side is B. Okay, so area of these two. So taking the square for side A, this is the A square, and B, this is B square. So A square plus B square must be equal to this square, because this is the H, A square. Okay, so this is the A square. I have put this A square with some sand. Let's examine or test whether this area will be filled by these two areas after taking these signs towards these two. Okay, I am taking this two one. See, see this one, these two sides. Okay, the area of this one is equal to this two. Okay, let us see another way. The area of these two will be equal to this or not. Very little amount of sand is already blanket here. Okay, because this is not taken empty. So let's see if these two area containing sands will be equal to this one. Again I am doing the same thing. See, some amount is left out there, some blank space is there. Okay, if this area would be filled, this blank area must be filled with some extra sands, that it should be filled with these two equally also. That's why after taking, they see approximately same, because we need some more sand here to be filled completely. That's why if I am taking these two to be filled by this one, here also some amount of blank space is there to be filled. Okay, because here also some space was there. So approximately these two area will be equal to area of this area, and by practically we have proven this formula, Pythagoras theorem or BAUDHAYANA theorem, by some TLM. Okay, this is a TLM to prove the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so if I will take 2 square, suppose I am taking 2 square having a small square A, having side A. Okay, and another B having some, this will be B. Okay. So this is A, this is B. Suppose we add these two square to get a third square, so that the area of these two will be equal to the area of the third square. Okay. So how to draw? Let me imagine the first one is a smaller one and the second one is the bigger one. Okay. Okay. Suppose this is A, this is B. Okay. So in what way, if I am taking this A here, suppose this amount I am taking here. Okay, this amount I am taking, suppose. Okay, this A I am taking here. So this will be what? This area will be, this total area is B, this total area. And if I am taking this length here from towards this here A, this will be what? B minus A, because total is B and this is A. If I have taken this length here, then this will be B minus A, because total is B and I have cut out this A length here from here. Okay, so this rest length will be B minus A. Okay, so I am taking this half in this way. Okay, now this is A square, this is total area is B square. Okay, now this will be A, this is A side, this is B side. So the hypotenuse will be A square plus B square root over. This is the right angle triangle. So if I will draw here a square, I will get a square whose area will be sum of these two. Because if I am taking this as a square having side A square plus B square root over, so the area will be square of this one, that means A square plus B square. I want to join these two, this is A square and this is B square, so this area will be A square plus B square. Okay, so this is the final hypotenuse to get the sum. Okay, now I can calculate in another way also. Suppose I am taking this one A and this one is what? How much? A plus B minus A. That means B. This is also B. This is also B. So if I will take this one, this hypotenuse having right angle here, what will be this one? This one also A square plus B square root over. This one. This one. Okay. So if I will take a right angle here, A square here, then this area, the area of this one also equal to A square plus B square. Okay. I can found in another way also. See, this is the A. Okay. This is the A. So if I am taking, this is B minus A. Okay. So if I will take A here, okay, B here, this is the A. If I will take B here, this is B minus A. So if I will take A here, okay, I am taking here A amount, this amount A. Okay, this is A and this is B minus A. Okay. If I am taking B here, this is A, this should be B. Okay. So in what way I will take? This should be B. So this is the B. This is the B. Okay. If I will take this amount, from B this amount have been cut off. If I will take another A here, this is B minus A. Okay. So this is B, this is B and this is A. So this is B minus A. This area is B minus A. So if I will take another A here, this amount, this length I will take here from here. This will be A, and the total will be how much? A plus B minus A. That means it is B. Let me clear once again. This is A. Okay. I am taking this A length from here also. Another A here. Okay. What is this? This is A and this is B. This is B and this is A. So this is B minus A. So this is B minus A, this is A, that means this is B. After adding, A will be cancelled, and I am getting this one as B. So AB, I have got AB as base and perpendicular. So if I will join, this will be hypotenuse and this will be A square plus B square root 2. And if I will take square for this side, I will get also the sum of these two square. Okay. So in three ways I have got the sum of these two square, this one and this one. Okay. In our next video we will discuss more examples to solve this type of problem in various figure it out questions. Okay. Till then, enjoy this video and wait for the next video. Thank you.